Hey Rage man, what's up? So I went ahead. I'm just going to create this short little video for you so you can get an idea of what's actually going on. So what I went ahead and did is I created a string component. My string component is using the function component, and it has the children property and its value set as a string. Now, when they initially created the function component, the thing that was supposed to make it different from the functional component, the FC component, was that the functional component allows you to type your children. So if we take a look at how it's used in the app.js file, app.tsx file, if I were to add a number to this, it's going to trigger an error. It's going to read type number is not assignable to type string. So originally FC would not return this, but now if you take a look, if we were to use FC, it still returns that error. It says type number is not assignable to type string. Originally, the FC component could not do that. And if I go ahead and I update this with a hello world string, it will work. Now, the thing is that you have to understand, why is that happening? Why is it triggering an error when you don't expect it to? Because originally FC did not type the children, but as you can see now, it's allowing you to type the children. So in my text editor, I use an IDE. I use WebStorm. So when I right click on the functional component, when I hold command and I click on the functional component, it actually shows me the type of the functional component. So if you see right here, the interface functional component, it has all of these properties. And then if you see just above it, it has the FC type as well. And you can see that FC is equal to the functional component. So there's literally no difference between the two components today. Probably originally there were at some point. Originally there were, because FC didn't allow children. But as you can see, the FC type is now equal to the functional component, which makes it identical. So that's what I was saying. There's no difference in the two. They both work the same way. Companies don't prefer one over the other. It's just a matter of preference at this point. And I touched base with some of my coworkers, and we went through it as well. And basically that's what we came up to. It was like, well, it was the functional component was intended to allow you to type children. The function components allow you to type children, but now they just went ahead and set the FC equal to function component. So I hope that answers your question.